honestly really nervous.
It's our first time out of the farm.
We can't believe we're in the actual tent.
We've got huge expectations.
I don't really know how we got here.
We're feeling a bit lost.
Yes, but we're looking for
A
Star Baker!
We'll give it our best shot, see what happens.
We can't wait to get started.
Yes, we just want to get a kick out of it.
Our contestants have made it this far on their journey.
But who will make it to the stable?
Welcome to the King's Kids Bake Off. Bakers, welcome to the tent. Today's showstopper challenge is Cakes for the King.
As you've all heard, a new king has been born in Bethlehem, and we want you to make your best baked creations that you think the king will love.
One of you will be crowned Star Baker and get to deliver your cakes to the king. Bakers, are you ready?
Yeah! On your marks.
Get set, bake! Hi Sheep, tell us about yourselves.
Our shepherds brought us to Bethlehem, and to be honest, we're glad that we haven't been given away as gifts ourselves.
Camels, what was your journey like to get here?
We just dropped the wise men at the stable with all of their luggage. We didn't have any room for our own gifts, so we're excited to be baking one today.
Hi donkeys, why are you here today?
Mary and Joseph arrived at our stable with no warning, and we have nothing prepared.
We're such bad hosts.
So we've come here to make a welcome gift.
Chickens, what's your story?
We always get left out of the story.
We just want to be part of it all.
We're just happy to be here.
The judges have asked the bakers to create their best bakes using ingredients of their choice.
Each of our contestants has brought their own special ingredient that they hope will win them Star Baker and guide them to the stable.
We know we've bought the best ingredient. Organic, homegrown, fresh. You just can't beat the simple egg. We're serving our creation with love. That's the most important thing.
We're not quite sure what we're doing. We thought we'd just mix it all up and hope for the best. We think it'll be all right.
Bakers, you have 5 minutes left.
We're having a bit of a hard time with the ingredients.
But we're loving the experience.
This is so exciting! We get to bake for the king! We're going to put our all into this. It's going well so far. We're doing our best.
Bakers, your time is up. Please bring your creations to the table.
Right.
Bakers, I can see you've put a lot of love into these baked creations. And really, it doesn't matter what they look like. I'm sure King Jesus will love them anyway.
In that case, are we saying they're all winners?
I think we might be. Everyone's invited.
Well then,
Star Bakers, you're all going to the stable.
Guess what? We won!
Mum, we're going to the stable.
We got Star Baker.
It's the best thing ever.
This is life-changing.